two HVAC systems. One's a 4-ton, one's a 2-ton. These are them here. This is the 4-ton. It's the south one, the north one. We're on the west wall, and that's the north one. That's the 2-ton. Our disconnects are to the sides like they should be, but our disconnects were not sealed as they should have been. Alright. I'll get that back. It's laced up. This is our data plate. It's telling us that, yes, this is a 4-ton system. It's also telling us that our fuse isn't large enough. Our largest fuse, okay, should be 50 amps, and we only have a 40 amp fuse for this puppy. What does that mean? It means that this system, the fuse is likely to, will have the opportunity to break, to, trip during a condition that's not critical to the air conditioning system, a nuisance trip, if you will. So that's it. We've got a undersized fuse here. Both of these systems are using R410A refrigerant. No longer manufactured in the United States. No longer legally imported to the United States. Do they have stockpiles of it? You bet. Is it expensive? Is it getting more expensive? It's even getting more expensive. Why? Because they don't make it anymore. They got some new stuff. Even though these are new systems, you want to register these with Carrier. You want to register them now with Carrier to make sure that you get the extended warranty. Otherwise, you're just going to be left with the builder's warranty. And because the refrigerant is becoming obsolete, you want the extended warranty. You do, trust me. This should be sealed. This should be sealed so that water doesn't get behind it. This refrigerant piping has been literally illegal since 2015. Alright, we need this is the low pressure refrigerant piping, and we need a more robust insulation on that. This one is properly fused. It's still 410A. It's still 1 year old. The hood still needs to be sealed. This is still laced up pretty good. I don't know if you can get in there and see that. Still should be sealed on 3 sides. This is still our data. Tells us everything is hunky-dory. It's the wrong kind of phone. Did I say that enough times?